Okay, இப்போ வந்து electric dipole momentக்கான ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்ம பார்ப்போம். நம்ம டெக்ஸ்ட் புக்ல கொடுத்த ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் தான். This topic is very important for your public exam also. அதனால இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் எப்படி சால்வ் பண்றதுங்கறத நம்ம பார்ப்போம். See in this first case, case A, there are two charges, both are positive charges. இது வந்து plus q, இது plus q, and this point is the origin, this is the origin, and plus q is at a distance a from the origin in the positive x direction, and this charge plus q is also at the same distance from the origin a but in the negative x direction. So according to our concept, the dipole moment is equal to the product of the charge and the distance from the origin. So நம்ம இதுக்கான dipole moment கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். P vector is equal to plus q into எப்போதுமே நான் என்ன சொல்லிருக்கேன்னா ஒரிஜின்ல இருந்து தான் நம்ம டிஸ்டன்ஸ் மெஷர் பண்ணனும். So from the origin the distance is a qa, and what is the unit vector? I cap. qa I cap. அடுத்து வந்துட்டு இன்னொரு சார்ஜ் plus q, distance should be measured from origin a, and what about the unit vector? This along negative x axis. So negative x axis na adukana unit vector vandhudu minus I cap. So minus I cap. So we get q a I cap minus q a I cap. Therefore the dipole moment here is equal to 0. So in this case the dipole moment is equal to 0. First case la dipole moment oda value vandhudu equal to 0. Next is in the second case. Second case la parunga, there are two charges, both are positive, but how it is different from the first case? Here one charge is placed at the origin, another charge is placed at a distance a from the origin. ஒரு சார்ஜ் வந்து ஒரிஜின்ல இருக்கு, இன்னொரு சார்ஜ் வந்து ஒரிஜின்ல இருந்து a டிஸ்டன்ஸ்ல இருக்கு. So what is the dipole moment? P vector is equal to q into what is the distance? Since the charge is placed at the origin itself, the position vector is equal to 0. So in the position vector vandhu 0. So q into 0 plus another charge q into what is the distance from the origin? Origin la irundha irukkood distance evlo? A. Unit vector enadhu positive x direction irundhanaala I cap. So the electric dipole moment is qa I cap. P vector is equal to qa I cap. This is the expression for dipole moment of this configuration of charges. So idhula irundhu namakku enna conclusion ku varalana, indha rendu case la nama paathina the electric dipole moment is depending upon the position of the origin. Origin எங்க இருக்குங்கறத பொறுத்து இதோட டைபோல் மொமெண்ட் வந்து மாறுது. ரெண்டு கேஸ்லயுமே சேம் சார்ஜஸ் தான், +q இங்கேயும் +q தான். ஆனா இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா the origin வந்து சென்டர்ல இருக்கிறதுனால அதோட டைபோல் மொமெண்ட் ஈக்குவல் டு 0. இதுல வந்து origin வந்து ஒரு சார்ஜ்ல இருக்கிறதுனால அதோட டைபோல் மொமெண்ட் ஈக்குவல் டு 0. So அதோட டைபோல் மொமெண்ட் ஈக்குவல் டு qa I cap. So this is the expression for dipole moment. Okay, அடுத்தது case C பாருங்க. Here we have plus q charge here, minus 2q charge here, and this is the origin. The distance from the origin to charge minus 2q is a, and the distance from the origin to the charge plus q is 2a. So in the configuration of charges electric dipole moment எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? சேம் மெத்தட் தான். ஆனா இதுல ஒரே ஒரு டிஃபரன்ஸ் என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம பார்த்த ரெண்டு கேஸ்லயுமே சார்ஜஸ் வந்து x ஆக்சிஸ்ல இருந்துச்சு, +x -x. +x ல இருந்தா யூனிட் வெக்டர் வந்து I cap எடுக்கணும், -x ல இருந்தா யூனிட் வெக்டர் வந்து -I cap எடுக்கணும். இந்த கேஸ்ல சார்ஜஸ் வந்து ரெண்டுமே y ஆக்சிஸ்ல இருக்கு. y ஆக்சிஸ்ல இருந்தா யூனிட் வெக்டர் மட்டும் மாறும். மெத்தட் எல்லாம் சேம் மெத்தட் தான். யூனிட் வெக்டர் வந்துட்டு y axis இருக்கிறதுனால positive y axis it is taken as j cap and negative y axis இருந்தா it is taken as minus j cap. That is the only difference. Now we can solve this question very easily. P vector is equal to, see what is the first case, minus 2q and what is the position vector or the distance from the origin, a, and what is the unit vector, it is along positive y axis. So since it is acting positive y axis, we can represent it by j cap. Next is plus 2 plus q into distance is 2a from the origin, the distance is 2a, but it is acting in downward direction, it means minus j cap. So 2a into minus j cap. So what will we get? We get minus 2qa j cap plus here also 2qa. Since it is minus j cap, we get minus j cap. So we get minus 4qa j cap minus 4qa j cap. So what is the direction of dipole moment here? The direction of the dipole moment is along minus j cap. It is downward direction. So the direction of dipole moment is along minus j cap. Minus j cap means downward. Already I told you the direction of dipole moment is always from negative to positive. See, this is the negative charge, this is the positive charge. So the direction of the dipole moment is from negative to positive. So this is the direction of dipole moment in this case 3. Now let us discuss another case, case D, fourth case. Here we have 3 charges. See, plus q is at a distance a from the origin, another charge plus q at the same distance but in the opposite side of the origin, and another charge minus 2q is along the negative x-axis. So how to find the dipole moment for this configuration of charges? See, first let us take the same method. P vector is equal to q into a. It is along the positive y axis. So j cap q into a j cap. Next plus q into, this is the position vector a along the negative y axis. So minus a j cap. Next is, this is minus 2q. This is along negative x-axis. So minus a I cap. So what will you get here? Q a j cap. Here q into minus a, minus q a j cap. Here minus into minus plus 2q a I cap. So the qa j cap and qa j cap get cancelled. So we get 2qa I cap. This is the direction of dipole moment. See, what is the unit vector? I cap. I cap represents positive x direction. I cap represents positive x direction. So here also the dipole moment is along this direction. It means negative to positive. So this is the expression for dipole moment in this fourth case. I hope you understand the concept of electric dipole and electric dipole moment. This is very important topic as 1 mark and 2 mark questions are asked from this topic. So try to understand the concept and solve all these questions yourself. My suggestion is, whenever you are preparing for physics, you use a paper and pen, and also try to solve whatever derivation or whatever numerical problems or whatever the diagrams are given, whatever it be, you try to solve it yourself. Then only you can recall it whenever it is needed. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment, and